It's opal squash season, which means I have well over a dozen opal squash in my garden. I can't think of a better dish to make than Vietnamese opal squash with shrimp soup. Start off with whole pieces of shrimp and smash them, then chop them. That way you'll have bigger chunks of shrimp when you put them in your soup. Marinate your shrimp with fish sauce, mushroom powder, sugar, kosher salt, and the white part of the green onions that you're going to chop. What's great about this soup is that it's so refreshing, so simple to make, and it's a Vietnamese tradition to serve it with a meat dish and eat it with rice to give a balance of flavors. You can find opal squash at your local Asian supermarket. If you don't have one, then you can easily substitute opal squash with chayote. Cut it in half, then remove the seeds, and then cut them lengthwise into 3 pieces, and then slice them a little bit over a 1/4 inch thick. When you cook opal squash, you'll know when it's done when it becomes translucent, and opal squash has a very delicate sweet flavor to it. In a pot on medium-high heat, add your oil, then add your aromatics. Give it a fry for 30 seconds to a minute. Then add your opal squash. Sprinkle a little bit of kosher salt, and then give it a stir. Then add your water, your fish sauce, and then your kosher salt, and your mushroom powder and sugar. Then bring it to a boil, occasionally skimming the foam on top so that your broth is nice and clear. Once it starts boiling, then add your marinated shrimp to create shrimp dumplings. I do them by the spoonful. You'll know when the shrimp is cooked when they start floating to the top. Once it's done cooking, then garnish it with chopped cilantro and chopped green onions and eat it with rice. Enjoy!